Today we're going to replace the stock gimbals of the Radiomaster Zorro for the new AG01 mini gimbals. The new gimbals are very high quality CNC metal and Hall sensor gimbals, and this task is very easy. I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need to do is unscrew the back of the radio from these places right here. Take it back out, just be careful with the cables running from the battery to the motherboard, so unplug those out. And inside of the radio we'll see two PCBs, one on top of another. To access the gimbals you have to unscrew the top one and unplug some of the wires. Just remember where they go, so maybe take a picture with your phone to know where each cable goes to. The next steps are incredibly easy, just unscrew the gimbals, there are 4 screws per gimbal. Take them out and then put the new ones. For the throttle gimbal, I'll use this dampening oil that I got from Radiomaster some time ago, and you will apply it before putting the gimbal in place. In my case I did it after, but it doesn't matter. And it'll go between the metallic plate and the little slider to create some resistance and a nice dampening motion. To release the tension from the throttle, use that little black screw included and put it right there. And to create a little bit more resistance, screw this metallic plate a little bit more. After the replacement has been done, just put the radio back together and do a calibration of the sticks. I also got different colors to change the look of the sticks. You can do that as well, they look fantastic. By the way, I also got this dedicated case for this radio, which is great, so you can get all of these from the links in the description below. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you next time.